Hi, welcome to Schogini Toys. Today we are going to build a clamp activated switch. Now here is the breadboard that comes with the kit. Now first thing that we need to do is to get 3 AA batteries and place the batteries inside the battery holder. So here, this is the minus side of the battery that we will push against the spring and place it like this. Again, second battery, the negative side, and place it against the spring. So I have placed 3 batteries in the holder. Now what we need to do is to ensure that the battery is fitted properly and the power is working. So what we will do is we will take any of the LED that comes with the kit. Here I am taking the red LED that comes with the kit. It has a wire also attached to it. Now the plus of the LED is attached to this red wire. So the red wire should be inserted into the top plus rail. Or any of these holes here can be used. So I'm inserting it in here. So the negative rail, I have placed the black wire, and the positive rail I have placed the red wire. So the red wire can be placed in any of the holes in the next to the red line, and the black wire can be placed in any of the holes in the negative. So I will switch the power on to confirm that the battery voltage is indeed reaching the breadboard. Okay, so we'll switch this off. Make sure that you put the switch to off position and then remove the LED and keep it aside. We don't need it right now. Now this kit comes with a detailed construction diagram or the connection diagram. There are step-by-step connection details given. So we'll follow them one by one. But before that, what we will do is we will understand how these components are numbered. So here we have the 4017 counter IC. It has got 16 pins. So the IC is numbered like this. IC looks like this. From the top, you will see that there is a notch on this side, and there are 16 pins. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on one side, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So this is how they are numbered. But then we have a transistor, which is, so this is 4017 IC. IC stands for integrated circuit. And here we have a transistor, and the transistor from the top, this is how we are mounting it. So this is called the emitter, and the other end is collector, and then the middle pin is base. So this is how we have placed it. Okay. Then we have the microphone, which has got 2 pins. Okay, so now what is important is the connection diagram tells you to use certain holes in the breadboard. Now they are identified this way. On these sides you will notice that each row of these holes in the middle section are labeled as A, B, C, D, E up to J. Okay, and from left to right, the columns are numbered 1 to 30. So if I say G26, what it means is you have to go through this G row and find the 26th column. So that way you can clearly identify each of those holes. So let's now assemble the kit. Step by step we will go. A is 4017 IC, which is already placed, and pin 1 is at E12. So E12. Pin 1 is at E12. So in case if you are removing this, make sure that when you place it back, the pin 1 goes inside E12. And BC547 transistor is also already placed, and collector is in F9, base is in F8, and emitter, the leftmost one, is in F7, which is also already placed. Then we have the microphone, which is connected to F1 and F2. Okay, so there is a correction here, F1 and F2. Okay, then we have a 22K resistor to be placed. Now here is the 22K resistor. 22K resistor has got a red and orange rings to indicate its value. Red stands for 2 and orange stands for 3. So 2, and the orange 3 is 3 zeros. So 22,000 ohms or 22 kilo ohms. That is how we read these values, but no need to worry about this now. You will get to remember these automatically. Okay, so I8 and the positive rail. I8 and the positive rail. So that is 22K is placed. Next is 10 kilo ohms, that is brown, black and orange rings. There is I9 and the positive rail. So I9 and the positive rail. Okay, so I have placed, that is C and D activities have been completed. Now next is connect the wires. So black wire from J1 to the negative. So black wire from J1 to negative. J1 to the negative rail. Okay, so that is connected. J1 to negative. Then blue wire J2 to H8. J2 to H8. J2 to H8. Blue wire from, then black wire J7 to the negative rail. J7. J7 to the negative rail. Then blue wire H9 to H14. H9 to H14. H9 to H14. Blue wire is connected. H9 to, then red wire J12 to the positive. J12 to the positive rail. That is connected. Then black wire I15 to the negative rail. I15 to the negative rail. I15 to the negative rail. Okay, so that is connected. then green wire J13 to A15. Green wire from J13 to A15. J13 to A15. Okay, and you can mount it across the IC like this as well. Okay, green wire. Then finally the black wire A19 to negative. Black wire A19 to the negative rail. Okay, done. All connections are done. Now what we need to do is to place the LEDs. So the red LED A13 to, so the red wire goes to A13 and black goes to the negative rail. Place it like this, and then the green LED red wire goes to A14 and black goes to the negative rail. Okay, so done. All the connections are done. Let's switch it on, and we see that red LED is on. Let's try it. You have to practice the clap, how far you can clap. Okay, so done. Now we can use the cutout that comes with the kit and place the LED. Okay, so this is how it is. Excellent. Have fun. See you with the next kit very soon. Bye bye.